government and on behalf of all the citizens of our state, really I have no words to express the gratitude to all of you. These past few days I know has been very, very difficult for all of you, but still, you have not lost the faith and you continued with a complete dedication. So once again, really, I think all of you deserve a big hand. So I would request all of us who are present out here, let's give a big hand to all our medical staff who have worked day and night in this time of crisis. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.